Hey, there. Wonderful people. Welcome back to Primal English Slang, where we make learning English as sweet as a honeybee's knees. My name is Invincible, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today, we're diving into 7 polite phrasal verbs that will take your English to the next level. So, stick around till the end, because I've got some great tips to share with you. Our first phrasal verb is get along with. This means to have a good relationship with someone. For example, I get along with my neighbors really well. Isn't that a lovely way to say you have a good rapport with them? Next up is come across as, which means to seem or appear in a certain way. You might say, she comes across as very friendly. It's a polite way to describe someone's first impression. Our phrasal verb is look forward to, meaning to be excited about something in the future. For instance, I look forward to our meeting next week. It shows anticipation in a very polite manner. Put up with. Let's move on to put up with, which means to tolerate or endure something. For example, I can put up with a little noise if it means we're having fun. It's a great way to show patience. Another useful phrasal verb is turn down, which means to refuse or decline. You could say, I had to turn down the invitation because I was busy. This one is particularly polite when you need to refuse offers. Number 6 phrasal verb is run into, meaning to meet someone unexpectedly. For example, I ran into an old friend at the grocery store. It's a friendly and polite way to talk about surprise encounters. Last but not least, we have take after, which means to resemble or follow in someone's footsteps. For instance, she takes after her mother in kindness and generosity. It's a charming way to show admiration. Thanks for hanging out with me, everyone. I hope these phrasal verbs help you add a touch of politeness to your English. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Stay amazing, and I'll see you next time.